today's video, I decided that I would give you guys some motivation today and actually motivate myself. I'm about to go to the grocery store in about an hour or so, but I have to get some stuff cleaned in my house. So I decided I would do a power hour and try to get what I need done in an hour. We'll see. And so I thought that this would be great just to, turn the camera on and make it a power hour, so that not only am I motivated to do it because I'm making it for you guys, but it motivates you guys today if you need some motivation to clean. So yeah, so we're going to start off on some things I have to do. Hopefully I'll get them done in an hour, and if I don't, it's okay, but at least I tried. So let's just jump right into this power hour. So the first thing that I'm going to do in this power hour is I'm going to pre-pack and pre-portion some fruit for my kiddos for their snack and also for lunches. I have shared with you guys in my how to pre-pack and organize kids snack video how I do this. I always like to pre-portion and pre-pack my kids snack, not only to save time, but also so that I can control the servings that they get when it comes to their fruit. And my kids were running out, so I had to pre-pack and pre-portion some snacks today for the refrigerator because it got empty. And normally during the school year, there are certain things that I will buy already pre-packed and pre-portioned, only because they last better in the lunch boxes. But during the summer, I don't mind putting all these in the small containers. But during the school year, I also use these containers for strawberries, berries, and grapes because they hold up well in these containers. So the main thing that I need to do is tackle these dishes. And again, on these Saturday nights, I'm enjoying my time with my husband and I. You can hear the girls laughing in the background. They're upstairs having fun. But I've been enjoying my time with my husband at night, and so I'd rather spend time with him than do dishes, so I'm doing it today. And these are a lot of dishes. I did a lot of prep work yesterday and also cooked dinner, so let's tackle these dishes. So I just finished rinsing off and scrubbing off all the gunk and stuff off the dishes, because I love to rinse them and get all the gunk off before I wash them in some clean soapy water, because I feel like when you put dirty dishes in soapy water, it just makes that soapy water dirty, and so basically you're cleaning the rest of your dishes with dirty water. So I get all the gunk off with a brush and all the disgusting stuff, and then I use the soapy water to disinfect them as I'm washing them.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone.
So the dishes are done, and there were a lot of them, but I completed them. So now on to wiping the counters.
Under your spotlight.
So I am done with my power hour. I did go over an hour, but hey, at least I got it done. I had a lot of dishes to do, so it took me most of the hours to get the dishes done because all those dishes were from like prep meals and the night before. And so yeah, it was a lot like you guys saw, but at least I got the dishes done and I prepped the girls' fruit and I got the clothes that I needed to fold it away and put it away. So I'm proud of my little power hour. So I hope I motivated you guys with this video today. You guys give me motivation to get up and clean because I know that when I make these videos for you guys, it motivates you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And like I said, I hope it gave you motivation and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.